Alright, Shaggy Trip, Bob. I'm location cook, not for Bob, but for me. It's his his house. We're gonna do a couple of hams today. I'm just gonna give you a couple shots. Bob, why don't you tell them which ones we got here?
Got a pork shoulder, or picnic ham, and a pork shoulder. Pull some of the skin and fat off it, throw it on the grill. Show you that when we get it on the grill.
Yep. So we're gonna do some hacking and chopping.
Pull some fat and crackle off.
Get it ready for the grill. So let's see Bob's house. You gonna throw the ham on now?
Throwing ham.
What kind of wood we got in there, Bob?
Maple and pear.
Maple and pear.
I'm going to throw more pear in. The maple's about gone. Let's stick this way down here.
What temp you running there, Bob?
We're going to try and keep about 225. Kind of keep these in here.
So this isn't a long cook. We're basically going to a couple hours, get some flavor and some smoke.
About 2-3 hours.
2-3 hours. We're not going to do drip pan or water pan. We're just going to throw them in.
There's enough water in the ham. They'll be fine for a couple hours.
So
enough to get some flavor in them.
Let's bring it in. Take a look. The bad boys in the Bob smoker. All right. Okay, so we've had the ham on the smoker for about 2 hours.
Yep.
We're getting a glaze prepared for it. I generally don't do glazes, so I'm relying on Bob here. Give us some glaze. It's going to be outstanding, and then we'll find out what you're putting in it.
At this point, it's pepper jam and tomato jam with a little bit of ghost pepper in it, and we're gonna warm it up, spice it, see what we can do with it.
We'll taste it as we go, obviously.
Yeah.
Taste it.
We'll try and update it here when we put something in it.
Yep. So I just wanted to catch him before he got too far. Later. All right. Down location cook at Bob's house. We have the ham in. You've seen it. We're gonna open it up. It's been out for about 2.5 hours. Correct?
Yep.
We got a jam, pepper jam,
Tomato pepper jam.
tomato pepper jam, some of which the peppers is some ghost pepper, so it has some heat, not a lot. It tastes really good. We were thinking about adding honey and stuff. I tasted it and I said, don't touch it.
It's sweet enough.
It's sweet enough. So we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna mop it off. We made a mop out of
String.
Almost do that.
Oh yeah, I do about this every 15-20 minutes.
So every 15-20 minutes will come out.
You get a nice little glaze on it.
It's looking really good. I can feel a little texture, you know, with the brush, so it's awesome. Snap and pop. Get some
Enough
fresh
water.
cola.
There's enough water in the ham. It's not going to dry out.
Right. Oh, this is going to help. Let's see it all. So, we glaze it up. We're going to do this every 15-20 minutes. For probably 4 or 5 times. Bob can do the next glaze.
Yeah.
So we're going to try and second glaze, Bob.
Second glaze.
Oh, look at that. Holy crap. That is looking good. I love the color on that.
A little bit of sugar.
Beautiful. So what temp we running about?
225, 250.
Okay.
The phones are just starting to pop now, so
We're just about hitting the 3-hour mark. So it's going to work out perfect.
cool for an hour or so.
Second glaze, Bob?
Second glaze.
Oh, look at that. Holy crap. That is looking good. I love the color on that. come off to your side here. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Anyway, the hams are done, and they look great. I couldn't ask for any more. Cut off the fat, the caps, and all that. I did 4 mops on it. Ran between 200 and 275. 200, 275 degrees for about 4 hours. The last hour, we did the glazing. So let's come on in and take a look. So our intentions are, zoom in here, there it is. Take that, cut it, and put it in that. There we go. Alright. So right now is pretty much a nervous part, because a lot of you guys may know how to cut meats and stuff. I'm not that familiar with it. I do what I do. So I'm going to pull this one out. Move that Bob. Oh, it smells so good. So my initial thought was to come straight down on this and try and get ham steak. So I may slice down. My second thought is to come in along the bone and try and cut the bone out and then just deal with the meat. So I'm going to do first cut with the bone in, peel it out, and I may prod in with the knife. So.
Every year in America, over 10,000 people are wrongly
Oh,
convicted.
yeah.
That's why the conviction integrity unit has been assembled.
We get 5 days.
Great case.
You've got a team.
Tinkerbell, let's get to work.
To right those wrongs.
Was it me?
So that ain't working.
Innocent.
We're running out of time.
To uncover the truth. From the executive producer of Criminal Minds.
This unit could do good.
Conviction. Series premiere Monday, 10/9 Central on ABC.
Close.
Tuesday, October 11th.
Start packing.
Fresh is going where no colony is going. We're all going to Taiwan. Everything Shenzhen.
Celebrate, baby.
At a new time, 9/8 Central. It's the season premiere of Fresh Off the Boat. Tuesday, October 11th on ABC.
Bye-bye.
Navigate everything
Yay.
Monday dishes out. It's a wide range of
Yeah.
facilities with available
Nice
all-wheel
to
drive
know.
or four-wheel drive.
Brian.
Anyway, we got the bone out.
Inside of our
So I had to split it, cut the bone out. And I'm going to slice it up. Bob can't keep his hands off of it, so it must be pretty good.
Well,
That's good.
healthier. And isn't that the real victory?
Enough smoke.
UW Health.
Enough salt.
Remarkable.
Middleton,
So,
Florida is Dane County's #1
So here's the Bob on doing it in, and have a look at
You're watching
you know,
ESPN on
the ham itself rather than my stupid cutting. So, nice. It's got some great smoke on it, I believe.
Not bad for
We're going to slice it up.
3-hour cut.
Super fresh.
Nice and sweet.
Okay, that's pretty much the end of it. I want to thank Bruce for inviting me out, and Bob himself for letting me stay at his pad and enjoy this cook with him. If you stick around, I got a little from the editing floor. Mind you, there's some swear words, but that's the cook. And stick around if you want to see the stuff from the editing. Stand there so I can make sure it's at the right height. Alright. It seems so weird. There's Bob giving us a bird. Even though we're cooking ham. We'll edit that out. Sorry, Mom.
Sorry, Mom.
Alright, here we go. Freaking kick ass. Alright. Anyway, the hams are done. I cook. Not realizing whether I'm cutting correctly or not. But again, that's not about the food.
Hey Trip, let's do take 2. The camera's like right here on you, yep.
How tall are you, Bob?